Okay, good part of the day. My name is Mutila Shokov, and my ID is U2010-19-0. I am with my teammate Muradov Sardo. I'm going to discuss about our project, which is named Hotel Booking, and there our code. We use functions to make our code more clear, and in the main part we use T statement to make main text in the middle of the screen. We use string statement to make input from the user only in the letter form, and also we use int form of the variables to make input from the user only in the integer form. It's about date of birth. Uh, we use uh, we use some functions. One of them is read year. There we can see that user could clarify the year, and then we use read months. And in this function we can see while and switch statements. We use 12 cases because we have 12 months, and we make it in the separately. And if user input the incorrect number, for example 13 or 14, there will be re-enter correct months field, and it should be re-entered as well. Okay, next is read date. There we can see four conditions because we have four types of months. Let's start with the 38 days. We know some months consist of 31 days, for example January, and we have specific conditions for such kind of months. For example, there if date is more than 31 and less than 0, it will be like an error, and user should correct value for the date, else it will output the date as well. Okay, such kind of structure we use for the month which consists of 30 days, and the specific month is February, which every 4 years have 28 days. For this month we make the same structure, and if there is a mistake you should correct the value date, but if it's all okay, our program will continue working. Okay, next is room. In this type of function we can see that user is able to choose one of the six kind of rooms, and there is information about all of them. And while choosing the room we have one option, yes or no. If the customer is sure to choose this kind of room, he will click yes. If he is not uh, sure, he will easily press no and go to the main menu. And then we have specific information about all six rooms, and this specific information is to, for example, to click to make decision. And then our next function is about payment. There it's last hour function, and there user should clarify his Visa card to input his number, and also there is information about date which customer is going to arrive to the hotel. If all information is clear and there is no any mistake, our program will output you are successfully booked for this day, and our program ends its work. So let's run it, and my teammate will continue.
Hello, dear teacher. My name is Sardor Murodov, and I'm presenting with my teammate Shohrokh Nigmatillayev. So let's check how the program works. Since he has explained the most of the part of the program, I would like to check the program. So let's enter my name. So my surname, my email address. So I need to enter my date of birth in order to enter some details for booking, need to provide the private information. So let's check if I enter the incorrect number. Say it will say enter the correct number, and my birth date is 2001. So year is 2001, and my month is April, but I would like to check how it works for February. Say second month is February. So it shows February, and I would like to check if it has 29 days in the 2001. It asks to enter the correct value for date, since it doesn't have, since this year doesn't have 29 days. Let's say it has 28 days. So we have entered the date of birth, and hotel would like to choose us the room. So it has 6 types of room, and I would like to choose the cheapest one, standard double, the second one. So let's say it's like $45 per night, but it's very cheap, and I would like to check looks. Let's say input again, it shows. So second option is no. I would like to choose the little bit expensive, let's say looks. So looks number is $120, like $120. It's very, I mean, it's very expensive, and I would like to choose the looks double. So it's the fourth one. It is, so let's say yes, it's $80. It's cost effective, it's normal for the hotel, and it asks me to enter Visa card information. Let's say I've entered 8 numbers for Visa card. So it asks me to enter the date when I want to arrive. I would like to arrive on 2021. Let's say month is February. Date is 29th. We don't have 29 days, so I would like to enter on 4th of February. So I have successfully booked for this day, and the hotel will be waiting for me on 2021, February 4th. Thank you for information, and that's pretty much it.